Wherever you happen to be right now, I want you to take a moment and picture yourself on a warm, sunny morning, walking through the perfectly symmetrical rows of a luscious orange orchard. The sun softly filters through the rustling leaves of each tree, and a powerful citrus scent reaches your nose and brings vibrant memories of happy times. Can you imagine it? What if, rather than combating the afternoon slump that we often get with sugar and caffeine, you could bring the natural, energizing aroma of wild orange with you wherever you go? With its bright, invigorating scent, derived from the cold-pressed rinds of oranges, wild orange stands as a symbol of vitality and purity. At its core, the power of wild orange is significantly attributed to limonene, its main chemical component, known for its antioxidant properties when used internally, uplifting scent, and its ability to purify spaces. A wild orange is not just any citrus oil. Its potent chemistry makes wild orange a standout, providing not only an invigorating aroma, but also benefits that extend to enhancing your whole well-being. Wild orange offers many internal benefits. Taken internally, wild orange essential oil supports digestion. When diffused, wild orange refreshes the air with its bright and energizing aroma. Thanks to the high concentration of limonene in the oil, wild orange is a helpful oil to keep on hand while house cleaning. It's one of the main ingredients in many products used to remove gummy residue. A few drops of wild orange on a soft cloth will remove just about any sticky substance. Another unique attribute of wild orange essential oil is its ability to polish wood furniture, a characteristic commonly found among citrus essential oils. You can easily make your own furniture polish at home by combining olive oil, vinegar, and wild orange essential oil into a spray bottle. This concoction will give life to old tables, chairs, or wood floors by getting rid of the dust that often makes furniture look dull. Preclinical studies suggest ingested wild orange essential oil may have the ability to support the immune system when needed most. During cold weather months, consider adding 1 or 2 drops to a capsule to help support a healthy immune system. Now, if you often drink tea like I do, I enjoy adding a few drops of wild orange to my favorite tea when I want support of my immune system. You can also simply add a drop of wild orange to a glass of water every day to add flavor and promote overall health. Wild orange oil is also used in the food industry as a natural flavoring in sweet and savory dishes. Although it does offer skin benefits, it can cause photosensitivity, like other citrus oils. When applied topically, be sure to avoid sunlight or UV rays for at least 12 hours after applying wild orange oil. Now, here are a few ways you can seamlessly integrate wild orange into your daily life, getting the most out of your bottle. Now, who doesn't love waking up to the smell of oranges? Begin your day by diffusing wild orange in your kitchen or bathroom for an energizing start, filling the air with its uplifting aroma. In the market for a powerful household cleaner that's both safe and natural, mix a few drops with water in a spray bottle for a refreshing, non-toxic surface cleaner, leveraging its purifying properties. Now add some excitement to your water by adding a drop of wild orange for a flavorful twist that also promotes overall health thanks to its high limonene content. Starting to run out of steam as the afternoon drags on, you can apply wild orange to your wrists or directly inhale from the bottle for a quick, natural pick-me-up that wakes up your senses. Don't let writer's block get you down. Diffuse wild orange in your workspace to foster a productive, focused environment. And finally, add a few drops to a diffuser during family gatherings to create a joyful, energetic atmosphere that everyone can enjoy. With doTERRA Wild Orange Essential Oil, you're not just adding a drop of oil. You're infusing your life with the essence of joy and the spark of creativity. It's a daily companion that reminds you to embrace positivity, energy, and a zest for life. Eager to discover more about the sunny side of essential oils? Visit our website or reach out to your personal wellness advocate for enriching insights and inspiring ideas. Let Wild Orange brighten your path to a vibrant, energized you today, tomorrow, and beyond.